In the husky kingdom, a mother's bond with her puppy is sacred. But every so often, another female believes she has a better parenting strategy. Observe Eevee. Without invitation, she confidently inserts herself into Venus's motherly duties, determined to supervise, groom, and claim honorary motherhood. Venus watches patiently for approximately 3 seconds. Then comes the unmistakable look. A look that clearly translates to, "I appreciate the enthusiasm, but this is my puppy." Eevee backs away, pretending she was just helping. The investigation concludes that no puppies were stolen today, though Eevee has already begun planning her next takeover.